Pocatello High School student Cassie Jo Stoddart was brutally stabbed to death. Two friends, Tori Adamczyk and Brian Draper, were convicted of her murder and sentenced to life in prison.
Today, Adamczyk's attorney is trying to change that. Luke Jones was in court today where a post-conviction relief hearing wrapped up just hours ago.
Tori Adamczyk wasn't in court today, but his attorney was, and he says his client might be a free man right now if it weren't for the incompetence of his legal team during that murder trial. Now, the family of Cassie Jo Stoddart were also in court today, and they aren't buying any of this. They say it's nothing but a cheap ploy, and Tori Adamczyk should remain in prison. The time ticked by as both sides made their case. While the judge is yet to rule, family of the victim say they've already reached their verdict.
I hope they keep that guy in jail where he belongs. If not, put him next to my house and we'll see what happens.
They even started a petition to stop this latest motion in its tracks, collecting nearly 2,000 signatures.
It's never been over. Adamczyk family brings it up every year. I wish they'd just accept it and forget about it.
But Adamczyk's attorney says there's good reason to bring this up. He says evidence that should have been admitted wasn't. Stuff that shouldn't have was. And he says at one point the prosecutor called Adamczyk's then lawyer a liar, all in front of the jury.
The jury hearing that was very prejudicial to Tori's case, obviously, because the jury's not going to believe someone who has a liar for a lawyer.
Now, in regard to that claim of ineffective counsel, Adamczyk's attorney says his old legal team didn't request the actual murder weapons for testing. He also says when a computer was seized without probable cause, they didn't move to suppress that evidence. Now, the judge in this case plans to make his final ruling in writing, but so far, no date set for that. In Pocatello, I'm Luke Jones.
8 years ago, we certainly remember covering it as a big story back then.
Oh, it just shocked us to the core,
Yeah.
to the core. All right, let's check in with